Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom. Bring that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
Hello YouTube, good morning. Here we are once again for another episode of unboxing video for my channel. So I ordered this item from Shopee, and this is a digital universal AC controller. So gagamitin po natin ito para i-convert yung manual operated AC or air condition to a digital control. So from manual magiging remote control na yung pag-open ng aircon. So open lang natin to. So wala akong dalang gunting ngayon, so medyo mahirap siya. So may note pa yung seller. So cute. Thank you seller as well. Okay. Medyo mahirap tanggalin. Dapat talaga may gunting tayo, guys. But anyways, carry pa rin. So here we go. Maganda yung box niya actually. I'm impressed. So pwede nating ma-recycle once magamit na natin yung item. So ito yung mga laman. First is the manual. So let's study this manual, guys, later. And then the actual board for the controller, for the digital controller. Okay, and then the physical remote. Okay, so I believe wala siyang battery, guys, kasi medyo magaan lang. And then we have the display and also the sensor for the thermostat. And then ito yung adapter. Medyo mahirap lang po siyang tanggalin kasi parang nakadikit. So ito na muna. Ito yung parang clips para sa wiring mamaya. And then we have the cover for the board. So ito na lang yung natira, yung power adapter. So tatanggalin lang po natin ito, guys. Okay, just give me a moment. Medyo matigas talaga, para kasing nakaano yung butas ng adapter sa box. Okay, so natanggal na po natin. So ito na yung power adapter. So medyo na deform lang konti yung niya, yung paa ng adapter, but anyways, that's fine. Alright, so ito na po lahat ng items niya. Stay tuned lang po kayo, guys, kasi magvi-video din ako kung paano i-connect ito sa AC window type. Hopefully, guys, gumana ito mamaya. So stay tuned lang po kayo. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and you have a great day. Stay safe, everyone.